Hey, babies. Hi. It's a big log you can share. You're so pretty. I put all these plants around and stuff so they have some protection from critters. What you doing? It looks like she's already full of eggs, so looks like you're already full of eggs. Boy, you're so pretty. You guys are so pretty. Yes, you are. Okay, you're the one with the mark on your side. All right. I wasn't sure. That's not surprising. There you go. Beautiful babies. All right, I'll leave you guys alone. I just had to show my dear friend this. You guys are so beautiful.